Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Portia with Portia Fit. We are halfway through our meditation practice together. How does it feel? I know for myself, doing this work, this has been very rewarding. Lots of things have come up just in my life, and these feelings and emotions and questions that I've had have been answered. And today I was just on this loop in my mind of I can fly and I want to allow myself to be free. The things that are holding me down, let them go and allow myself to ascend, to be in the sun, to glisten in the light the way I'm meant to be. So I've just been in a very connected space, especially this morning on my way here. So I feel like I'm having a serious breakthrough, and it's great. And I definitely give credit to this work that we're doing and we've been doing for the past 10 days together. So as I said, for yourselves, just notice what's going on in your life and the changes that are happening. Are you having questions going on inside of you and you're seeing the answers play out in life through conversations that you're having with somebody, or you'll see little signs? Like today I had this vision of myself dressed the way that I am, and I had these strings holding me down, and I was literally in the sky, and the people that I was feeling heavy my heart with, they were down there, and I just was whispering to myself and telling myself, cut yourself free. Allow yourself to fly, Portia. Keep going. And I was going towards the sun, to the light. And on my birth chart, the sun rules my chart. I am a fiery sun energy, and I just need the sun to feed me, to fuel me, to fill me. So that was this vision that I had, and this feeling of just allowing myself to feel light, because people can really bring on the heaviness. We turn to these practices, these mindfulness practices, so that we can relieve ourselves of the weight, to offload it, so that we remember that we are meant to be expansive, to fly, to levitate, to glide, to be light, to be free. I know some of you are like, whoa, girl. I know, but I feel so good. I feel great. All right. 10 minutes today, okay? 10 minutes on the clock. Let's be in our comfortable space and go within. Sitting up tall. Allow yourself to breathe, to be soft and light in your chest, in your face. Your hips, your feet are grounded and heavy. This yin and yang of the opposites. Our hips are heavy, but our upper body is light. We're in the sunlight, but there's always shadows. This balance of daytime and nighttime. And even in the darkness of the night, there are the stars that shine so brightly to illuminate our path. Melt into your light, going deep within yourself, the levels and layers of your whole being. Go to that peaceful place, that energizing place. And let's all recharge together in these few minutes. Keep your eyes closed. Start to move around. Getting our body, mind out of our meditative state. Coming back to our conscious awakened state. Wiggle your toes, move your ankles, wrist, fingers. We'll open our eyes. Taking in your surroundings. Taking note of your perspective shift and how you feel now. Hopefully it feels like a fresh start. All right. You all have a beautiful day, and I will too. And I will see you back here tomorrow. Namaste.